Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. The Savannah River is the very reason this city exists. For centuries, these waters have been the lifeblood of Georgia's oldest settlement, serving as a gateway to the world and a witness to the rise of an empire built on cotton and commerce. To stand by the river today is to feel the weight of that history, a place where the echoes of 18th century explorers mingle with the modern hum of a global port. It is a location defined by transition, where the untamed Atlantic tides meet the refined elegance of a city designed with mathematical precision. Dominating the waterfront is a sight that feels like a rip in time. The riverboat. Vessels like the Georgia Queen are more than just an attraction. They are living homages to the golden age of the steamboat. In the mid-nineteenth century, the river was crowded with these floating palaces, their massive paddle wheels churning the silt as they transported goods and travelers deep into the heart of the South. The sight of the majestic sternwheeler today serves as a powerful reminder of how Savannah once pulsed with the rhythm of the steam engine. These boats were the skyscrapers of their day, symbols of status and technology prowess that turned the river into a bustling highway of dreams and industry. But the river's story isn't just one of elegance, it is a story of grit. The cobblestones and the murky depths hold the secret of a city that has survived blockades, fires, and the brutal realities of the colonial trade era. The river was a place of arrival for thousands, bringing new ideas, new cultures, and the labour that would carve Savannah out of the maritime forest. As you walk the edge of the water, you're tracing the same path taken by sailors from across the globe who once docked here seeking fortune in the forest city. The modern Riverwalk serves as a bridge between that rugged past and the vibrant present. It is a space where the city breathes. While the massive container ships of today now dwarf the historic paddle wheelers, the spirit of the water remains unchanged. It is a constant shifting force that reminds us that Savannah is at its core a maritime city. The air here carries the scent of brackish water and the promise of an open sea, anchoring the city's sophisticated squares to the wild, unpredictable energy of the Atlantic. This is where the story of Savannah begins, not in the parks or the mansions, but here, where the water meets the shore and the world comes to visit.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.